go, Joanna. Stako!
I step out in my new bikini, heads turning when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Might wanna be me, come over here and see me strut in my new bikini. Yeah, 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 yeah.
So hey viewers, welcome back again to this channel, and for today's reaction video, we are going to watch the bikini dance practice. At ready na bang mabaliw ang lahat? Sana kayanin natin to. Let's go! Ngayon lang ulit ako nakaabang ng premiere nila. Kaya naman medyo mag-wait tayo ng onte. At nasa timer pa tayo. Oh my gosh! This is it! Finally. Let's stream bikini. Because I feel like this is going to go viral. And please, 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 perform this sa Coachella. Ayan! Ang tagal ng timer. Pakaba pa siya. So, ganito talaga kapag nasa premiere ka, no? Ayan na, 1 more minute. Sana kayanin natin to. Nung nilabas yung teaser, dun pa lang di na natin kinakaya. Paano pa kaya itong buo na? Ang OA niya na naman. So, let's do this. Kaya natin to. Kaya today, ayan, masyado kasing masyado akong maaga. Before 8 PM pa lang, nakaabang na ako. Let's go! Yan na, yan na, yan na! 15 more seconds. 10! Oh my gosh. Let's go, let's go. This is it. Mananahimik muna ako. Nakalimutan ko i-full screen. Hindi ko kinaya yun. Paano to?
I step out in my new bikini, heads turning when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy.
Bakit naka-white top na naman kayo? Sige. Let's go!
Might wanna be me, come
Oh
over
my
here and see me strut
goodness.
in my new bikini. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Umpisa pa lang, di ko na kinakaya. May kalim! Ay! Let's go, Joanna! Oh my gosh! Yan tayo maloy eh. Grabe! These curves! Babe! Ay, grabe! You know what you circle it? Grabe, Aya! Tapos susundan ni Mika Lim.
Let's go for a swim. Never been this deep. We'll dive right in.
See.
Moy. Love on the
Oh,
skin.
man.
Never been this deep. So dive right in. Step out in the bikini. Heads turning when they see me. Keeping it ocean breezy. Might wanna
Oh
be me, come
gosh!
see me strut in my new bikini.
Yung tatlong poste nyo sa baba. Nang babaliw.
Just like that, you like that. Step out in my new bikini. Heads turning when they see me. Keeping it ocean breezy. Yeah,
Are we all good? Are we all good? Because I'm not freaking good. What do you mean by this? Oh my gosh. This is so crazy. This is so crazy. Wait lang, sorry. Nag-screenshot si ate nyo, girl. Pang ano ko yun? Pang thumbnail. My goodness. That was so crazy. Iba talaga pag nang baliw yung bini, no? I'll watch it again. Pero yung first reaction ko ay nasa inyo, guys. So, I hope you enjoy it too. At sana kinaya nyo. Kasi literal na nabaliw tayo dun. Yung ganun, hindi ko na pala i-action. Ayoko na sayawin kasi masisira yung moment. So, that's it, Blooms. Natulala ako sa mga pangyayari and itigil na natin to. See you on my next reaction video. Bye!
I ain't skipping meals.